explain how you can use the team charter canvas in practice. So usually as a team we are a group of people that not always know each other really well and doesn't know how to operate as a team. So the team charter canvas helps us to clear out all the assumptions that we have. And we will start with draw a bus where we put all the team members in there. So we start with who is on the team and what are the superpowers that they have? What do they bring to the team? So we can write down the name and the superpowers, for example, this way. You can use sticky notes or you can just draw it in the bus. Then the next one, question that you need to answer, who is the driver of the bus? Who is the one, the team captain on the bus that will lead your team? But he's not the boss, he's a team captain, like in sport. So we have the team, the superpowers of the team members, we have the driver. So that is step number 1. Step number 2, we will go into what are the expectations. What do you expect from each other? Being on time, being fast, giving feedback, whatever it is that you expect from your team members to work at best. So write down all your expectations, individual, at least 3 from every person in the bus, and then discuss them as a team and find out what is the expectation of the individual people in your team. Then you will move into the value. What are the values that you want to work with? What kind of values? Like being humble, being honest, being open. Could be values that you feel like those are really important to you. So if everybody shared their values, and then you can rank them or list them and say, okay, those are the top 3 values that we want to have as a team. The next one is if we got in trouble. And I can guarantee you will get in trouble, don't worry. What will you do? What are the tactics? What are the steps? Will you blame the driver in the bus? Or will you solve the problem as a team? And what are the steps that you will take? So discuss and make different scenarios how you want to overcome trouble. If we got covered that, then we go into the obstacles. What are the obstacles that you can see from this point onwards? What are the things that holds you back to participate in this team? Maybe it's time, maybe it's that you have multiple projects, maybe it's financial, maybe there are other things that you see from this point onwards that could be an obstacle for the future. So list them down and make sure that everybody understands what the obstacles are. Then we will go into the energy resources. I guarantee you will be happy at the start, but over time you got trouble. Maybe you have some obstacles to overcome. So it drains a lot of energy out of you. How do you make sure that your team stay on a good level of energy? Maybe you drink coffee or have dinner. You go and have some games or watch a movie together. Anything that helps you and the team to stay energized. Then we will go into the last part, and that is really what is the goal that you and the team want to achieve. Is there anything that outside the product, the service that you want to develop, or the project that you do, is there anything that you as a team find really important? So put it in there, what is the goal that you want to reach as a team in the bus? So those are the items that helps you to create a really simple, organic operating model. What, of course, can change over time, but at least is a starting point for discussion if things are not working out as expected. Have a good time, good luck, let's do it.